a powerful project management tool that can help you streamline your tourism projects and keep everything organized. Trello is a visual, collaborative tool that helps you organize tasks, track progress, and communicate effectively with your team. It's perfect for managing projects of all sizes, from planning a small event to launching a new tourism product. There are a lot of key features of Trello. The first one is boards. Think of boards as your project containers. Each board represents a specific project, like a summer festival planning or a new hotel launch. The second one is lists. Lists within each board. You create lists to categorize tasks. For example, to do, in progress, and done. The third one is cards. Each card represents a specific task or action item. You can add details, deadlines, checklists, and event attachments to each card. The last one is members. Invite the team members to collaborate on boards and cards. You can assign tasks, comment on progress, and keep everyone on the same page. How to use Trello for tourism? Example: let's imagine you're planning a new adventure tour package. On the board, adventure tour package and list research and development, marketing and sales, logistics, and operations, feedback and review. On cards, research and development, identify potential tour routes, research local attractions, develop itinerary, and calculate pricing. On marketing and sales, create marketing materials, develop website content, launch social media campaign, partner with travel agencies. And logistics operations, book transportation, secure tour guides, arrange accommodation, and prepare equipment. And the last one is feedback and review. Gather customer feedback, analyze performance, improve future packages. Collaboration. Invite your team members, marketing, operations, guides, and etc. to the board and assign tasks to each person. You can discuss progress, share ideas, and track deadlines in real time. On tourism sectors, we have six. The first one is lodging, managing hotel renovations, planning social events or special, organizing guest services. The second one is F&B or food and beverages, developing new menus, managing restaurant reservations, creating promotional campaigns. The third one is transportation, coordinating tour bus schedules, tracking vehicle maintenance, managing customer bookings. The fourth one is planning tour itineraries, handling booking requests, managing tour guides. The fifth one is organizing conferences and events,